Hi everyone, today Monday and we going to SM City Clark for eat. For Shira it's breakfast because she late wake up, she feel not good before, that's why we going to SM City Clark only now. I like Monday don't have traffic, so many space, very good. Yeah, it's good, so many space for park. Take a look, Monday good time. I think also in the food court also not so many people. Time now 3:50.
Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. It's Malay Philippines. It's Monday afternoon and we're going to SM today.
Also I want to talk with you about what I have information about from Chinese people. When I jogging in the Clark Park CDC and I meet with Chinese guys and talk because now Chinese people have already free entrance, not need to pay for visa, not need visa, free entrance to the Philippines 14 days or 15 days, 2 weeks. That's why I see these guys is traveling in the Philippines and asking, did you been in the walking street? They said no. I asked him, why you not go to walking street if most of the tourists are going to walking street? They said, I not need walking street, but how you find a girlfriend? They said WeChat. I asked WeChat in the Philippines? They said yes, and they show to me how, and I will, when we sit in the, when we eat, I will show to you application and how they find and what kind of service have. You see now. Туеца, Нортеца, Трайнома, bus, premium bus. Oh, many people waiting. How many people may be waiting also airport bus? Shira faster, I know, faster because she want it. I also want it. Shira, we going to the food court, okay? I want shrimp. Happy Chinese New Year. Already prepare for Chinese New Year. You know, Chinese New Year is starting from after Valentine's Day. It's February, Valentine's Day. Good afternoon. 14th it's Valentine's Day, and next is Chinese New Year already. Oakley sale. Need to check what they have, what they sell. A carousel not working right now. Why? Don't have people. That's why. Okay. Cinema. What have in the cinema? Wait, I want to see.
I want to make a difference. There should be a way to get to the highway.
Horror, Shira. I know you like horror. What is this?
If you find your husband.
Silent Hill. Okay.
The old ones that do come back online.
Din Tai Fung popular. Din Tai Fung. Maybe someday need to go to check Din Tai Fung because I never eaten Din Tai Fung. I don't know, don't have price list here. Okay, because Shira want it, that's why I need to, first we need eat. Okay, first we need to find table. Available where? Tables. Have, I see already table. This one. Maybe this table is okay. No, I want shire. I want inside. I don't like in the top, in the up. Better sit. Yes, I want sit here. Oh, our foods.
Take some like
She will take drink. This one is noodles. How much noodles? Ramen noodles, 250. And tempura, it's 199, no 200. So it's total is for 50. For 50. Oh, also have. I like this. It's good. Shrimp, egg, rice. I like on salad. Вот Шайра bought. What is coffee? Ice coffee. Hi. Okay. Let's eat first and later I will show to you about WeChat, how Chinese people find something here. So guys, I want to say to you how to Chinese people find girlfriend in the Philippines. Not only in the Philippines, also in China, maybe in another country, maybe Thailand. Because I talk with Chinese tourists and asking why you not go to walking street. Because most of tourists going to walking street to find some girl. Wait, show to me how, and I will show to you how. So need to take application, open application WeChat. This is WeChat. You see WeChat. In WeChat have options like this. People nearby. And you can see who near you. So even far you can see. Take a look, yes? Okay. For example, very close as 300 meters, it's Johnny, Mook, Sam also near. It's people inside, in the Clark, maybe this one. You see. Mickey, you see Mickey. He said, I want to fireworks. Ha ha ha. Mickey from Manila. Oh, this one. Sorry, I don't accept lady boy. You see, not accept lady boy. So these people who nearby. Oh, this guy, Chris Hill. I'm in Makati until June 30. You see. This is one massage. You see. 2 kilometers. From 2 kilometers, and face also have. Of course, its faces may be fake. It's need talk with people already and they already message to you. For example, 3 kilometers. Alex Lim. Alex Lim also face avatar is girl. So you can see it's so many people, so many. 4 kilometers, more kilometers. Eric Han asking who live in Angeles near. So people communication in WeChat is very popular. And I asking about for example, if you chat, so how you meet? Say it in a Sam Clark or somewhere. I asking, but how you meet? You don't understand English. How you communication? They said in WeChat have a translator, and we communication in easy to communication. Translator. Even meet with people inside WeChat have translators, so not problem. That's why many people don't go to the walking street or bars. We just only meet with people personal. I know about Chinese. I don't know about another people. Maybe Korean or nationality have different way. But Chinese people, it's easy to meet communication in WeChat. So it's who have WeChat or who want to register WeChat, it's easy. You just only need your phone number, any country's phone number, and register WeChat. Shaira also have WeChat.
Oh yes, I registered my WeChat account before. Maybe it's long time already before, maybe we're in Balibago that time. And until right now I use it. But if you need to change with another phone, you need to back up your documents. Because sometimes if you go, you need to change with another phones, it will gonna restart, like erase your information inside.
Message.
Yes, all information, all photos from your friends or for you, like this. We have conversation before, and then I will buy another phone. It will gonna erase.
So we walk little bit in the SM City Clark and show to you what's new in SM Clark. Maybe open some new restaurant or shops. So we will show to you. Okay, let's go. SM already prepared for Valentine's Day and Chinese New Year. Gami udon. I already don't want already. If many times it the same, I don't like. For you also, Shaira, if eat always the same foods, you don't like already. Same me. We many times before, you remember, we eat in the Marugami udon. I don't want already. Better something new. Today, you see, today not so many people in Din Tai Fung. Cookies. What kind of cookies? It's new cafe shop. You can sit also here and wait in Din Tai Fung restaurant. Yes. Another cookies. Another cookies also. So many cookies. Chili's today is good, not many people, usually many people. Chili's it's 380. Espresso. Our friend likes sit in espresso every morning. I said Ali always sit in espresso every morning, I remember. Oh, even in Starbucks today, not many people. You see. No, I don't want sweet. No, Shaira, I don't want sweet.
For me,
You want to drink coffee with
Chocolate.
chocolate? Ah, okay.
Straight, right?
Yeah, straight. Carousel already working.
I remember my cousin and my sister have perfume here. It's so good here. This one. The rest perfumes.
No, for me not need. I have perfume. Okay, let's go, Shaira. Okay, not need perfume. Auntie Annes. I've heard so many here.
Auntie Ants only.
Auntie Ants? Ants it's small insect.
Annie. Not Annie. Anne.
An?
Name Anne.
Auntie An. Okay.
It's Ants means Andrew.
Ants. Okay.
Not Anis. It's like Anis.
I said An. Okay, not need.
You know, if you say that one in more to another country, like yes.
But Shaira, but it's funny. Better be funny than not funny. Yes. If my English is like funny, it's also good.
Why,
But you understand what I say?
that's why I need to correct you.
I say correct, okay. We're going to CDC Park again. Shaira said in the same city Clark called, and she won't sit in the CDC Park, but I jogging. I change clothes, I have clothes in my car, and jogging in CDC Park. As Shaira will sit and drink coffee and brownies also. Also about WeChat, I forgot to say. Chinese people say to me, they use also WeChat in Thailand, in Pattaya. Also the same, but in Thailand they said have group, and in this group have many girls, and they can choose. I know only from the Chinese people. I don't know how much, how, and because it's not interesting for me. But they said they not go to walking street, not going to the bar. But one guy said to me, I've been in walking street once, but he don't like because like scared. Many Korean like hard to invite to the bar. They stand in front of the bar and like, oh, go, like push to the bar. They afraid because I don't know, Chinese people maybe don't like this, what they can do. That's why they not go to the walking street. But maybe someone go, I don't know. But I talk only with 3 Chinese tourists. Maybe another will go, I don't know. I just say to you information about WeChat. It's easy also communication because with WeChat can translate. We already in the CDC Park, and we show to you what new in CDC Park. We walk in CDC Park. Today Monday is good. Not many people. And parking have so many space. Shaira, where you want to sit? Huh? No, you know, decoration for Valentine's Day. We can go to this place. They repair road. Yeah, road repair right now. Camp Savi. What is this Camp Savi?
So wait, means heartbroken. This is for like someone who give their love to someone but they not receive some love.
Mhm. Ah, yeah, Broken Heart Cove. What's why I don't have people here? Okay. But what is Shire School? Training maybe. Yeah, maybe training. I walk already in the CDC park, and also you've seen already what restaurant and cafe shop open, and you see also it's before it's Chinese restaurant and many Chinese restaurants before, but now it's all Korean restaurant, don't have Chinese. And Shaira sit and wait me when I walk. Shaira, what do you eat? Cookies. Brownies.
Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like.